All right, lastly, you might see, here's just some more examples of, but lastly, you might see, sorry, my words got in the way. Let me just get these out of the way. I'm just going to delete them. You're going to see fractions. Now, I briefly have talked to you about fractions. I honestly thought you already knew how to do them, but that's okay if we don't. Fractions. What's going to happen is that we're going to do the inverse of fractions. And so let's say you're looking at 1/2 to the x. What we're going to do is we're actually going to pull out that fraction and reverse it into a negative exponent. Okay, I know that's kind of weird because we're not used to that, but that's what we're going to do. So this is now going to be 2 to the negative 1 times x equals 2 to the second, because we want the same bases. Multiply that negative 1 to x, so 2 to the negative x equals 2 to the second, and your x is going to end up being negative 2. The exact same idea is going to happen here, right? I'm going to pull out that 64 and do 64 to the negative 1. But in reality, right, I need to break down that so it's the same base as 4. So 4 times negative 3 is going to be the same base. And so we're going to pull out that exponent and set them equal to each other. I know that's a little wonky, but just remember, when you have a fraction, y'all, all we are doing is we're switching it. So taking that base, bringing it to the top, and whatever your exponent is, making it a negative. And that's how we do the opposite of a fraction, and to make it into a negative exponent. And then that way, we can go through that process of multiplying out that negative 1 and solving and setting our exponents equal to each other. If that doesn't make sense, I have lots of videos that I have also attached that you can watch if you're still a little lost. But go ahead and get started and do as many problems as you can, and hopefully it makes sense. If it doesn't, please reach out. And yeah, I'll have my email, so you can always email, be like, I don't know how to do this problem. Also, y'all, I went ahead and made videos of every single problem for your worksheet today. So go through. If you're not sure how to do a problem, watch my videos that I've already created for you. Have a phenomenal day. Be on task. Let me know if you have any